If you need something made out of metal, then you need to come visit Ainsworth Custom Designs. Ainsworth Custom Designs is a custom metal fabrication shop that specializes in functioning pieces made out of metal. Things like tables, chairs, stools, and benches, and tons of other really incredible pieces. They have a 2-floor storefront that features over 35 local artists from right here in BC. So many colors and so many fun little pieces of art. They've been on the island for 15 years, and they are definitely a spot that you should check out on Granville Island.